welcome to Quick Learn for Easy Learn. In this 9th episode of English grammar class, we will see about the formation of nouns from verbs. Let us see how we can form abstract nouns from verbs, certain verbs. Okay, so the first word is die. D-I-E, die. The abstract noun is death. D-E-A-T-H. Next word is punish. Abstract noun is punishment. Abstract noun is punishment. Punishment. Next one, protect. Abstract noun for protect is protection. Protection. Next, seize. Abstract noun is seizure. Seizure. Next word is conceal. Abstract noun for conceal is concealment. Concealment. Next verb, depart. Abstract noun for depart is departure. Departure. Move. Abstract noun for move, movement. Defend. Abstract noun for defend is defense. Defense. Advice. A-D-V-I-S-E. Advice. Abstract noun for advice is advice. A-D-V-I-C-E. Instead of S, you should add C. Next verb is protect. Abstract noun is protection. Succeed. Next verb is succeed. Noun is success. S-U-C-C-E-S-S. Success. Discover. Abstract noun for discover is discovery. Discovery. D-A-S-C-O-V-E-R-Y. Next verb is believe. Abstract noun is believe. B-E-L-I-E-F. Next verb, judge. Abstract noun for judge is judgment. Judgment. Next word is see. S-W-C. Abstract noun is sight. S-I-G-H-T. Free. Abstract noun is freedom. Hate. For the verb hate, abstract noun is hatred. Hatred. Please. Abstract noun is pleasure. P-L-E-A-S-U-R-E. Pleasure. Act. Abstract noun for act is action. Action. Steal. Abstract noun is stealth. S-T-E-A-L-T-H. Stealth. Excel. E-X-E-L. Excel. Verb. Abstract noun is excellence. E-X-C-E-L-L-E-N-C-E. Excellence. Next verb is live. Life is the abstract noun. L-I-F-E. Laugh. Laughter is the abstract noun. L-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Laughter. Obey. For obey, abstract noun is obedience. 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 Next verb is expect. Noun, expectation. Abstract noun is expectation. Expectation. No. Abstract noun for no is knowledge. Next verb is serve. Service is the abstract noun for serve. Service is the abstract noun for serve. What is the abstract noun for occupy? Occupation. Occupation. Last word is starve. Abstract noun is starvation. Starve, starvation. So these are abstract nouns from certain verbs. Okay. So that is all for today. Goodbye. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you. Thank you very much.